How did you meet Anurag Kashyap then?
I met Anurag Kashyap because I became friends with Kalki after moving to Mumbai.
Okay.
I met him for the first time, I think 5 की screening करवाई थी उन्होंने.
What has been the most challenging role for you by far?
Ghost Stories. फुल बॉडी प्रोस्थेटिक था वो तो मैं मर गया था. मैं तो रोज 3 किलो कम होता था मेरा.
Do you believe this exists, nepotism exists in the industry? Have you experienced it ever?
Mr. Mukesh Ambani's son is taking over the business.
Yeah.
That's nepotism also, but nobody has any issues with that.
How was it working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
He's extremely passionate about his work. कसम से बोल रहा हूँ, तीन दिन जाते थे कभी कभी when you're ready, you're on standby, but your shot is not ready.
This was also the film जिसके बाद दीपिका पादुकोण एंड रणवीर सिंह साथ में है, ये हमें पता चला. बट सेट्स पर क्या आप लोग को पता चल रहा
नहीं,
था?
फर्स्ट शेड्यूल के बीच में तो कुछ नहीं, हमने कुछ नहीं देखा. मैं सेकंड शेड्यूल मेरा लगा था उदयपुर में, तो वहाँ पे नोटिस किया तो गोदी में बैठी हुई है. तो यार क्या हो गया ये, हमने तो नोटिस ही नहीं किया गुरु, ये कब हो गया. हेलो, मैं हूँ गुलशन देवैया एंड यू वाचिंग मी ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. My name is Urmin and look who I have here. We have loved him in all kinds of films. जब ये दिखे हैं बड़े पर्दे पर, छोटे पर्दे पर, OTT पर, कुछ तो बात निकली है. तो फूल खिले हैं गुलशन.
हाँ, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन.
How are you doing, Gulshan?
I'm doing okay. I'm a
Are
bit
you
nervous
happy in
because I have a
life?
flight tomorrow.
Are you happy
So
in
I'm yet
life?
to pack. Yeah, I'm very satisfied. I'm very satisfied.
Isn't
Life
that
is
such
good.
an important word?
It's consistent. It's been consistent also. That's also another good thing. Consistency भी matter करती है. और मेरी लाइफ ना पिछले 2 साल से काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंटली चल रही है, तो उतार चढ़ाव इतने नहीं है कि थोड़ा स्टेबलाइज हो गया है, तो दैट्स आल्सो नाइस.
That is so good. Well, I'm really glad that मैं ये इंटरव्यू तब कर रही हूँ. मैंने दहाड़ पूरी देख ली. It took me a while because I have
You're not a
had.
binge watcher.
No, I am a binge watcher, yeah, but I had a lot on my plate. And आजकल देखो ना कितना पोर्शन कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है. कहीं दहाड़ है, कहीं कुछ और है.
Large portion. Yeah.
So I'm doing portion control.
Okay. On a large plate.
And I just want to tell you that the character that you portrayed and the way your body language said things and the way we've never seen you like this.
Yeah.
How challenging was it for you?
It wasn't challenging at all actually, because I had a lot of time to prepare for it. And a lot of my work is use of imagination. So I would imagine how this character would be. So you spend time with the writing and you try and construct the character that way. And you get some ideas, and once you get 1 or 2 good ideas, and then you build upon that. So I had a lot of time, so ऐसा challenging तो नहीं था. और मेरे imagination में I had visualized a slim, sometimes actors, vanity kicks in, and then you want to have a little bulging biceps and छाती बाहर and all those things like that. So I tried to sort of do the reverse of that. कि let me try and visualize a cop who is athletic and quick, but then very slim, slender, gentle, mild mannered.
I like that, घरेलू इंसान.
Rahul Dravid types.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I mean वो करते हुए इतना ये सोचा नहीं मैंने, लेकिन बाद में लगा कि हाँ, he is a very Rahul Dravid kind of a guy. Does his job, does it as well as possible.
That's a great comparison.
Keeps everything together.
Yeah.
The glue that, so Devilal is the glue. He's not the wall, but he's the glue that keeps everything together. So.
That is lovely. What made you say yes to the hard?
I thought that it's good for me. I thought I should do it. I thought that sometimes when things come to you, it compels you to do it. And it makes perfect sense.
क्या ये
ज़्यादा सोचने नहीं पड़ता आपको पता होता है कि ये अच्छा है, कर लेना चाहिए. आपके लिए अच्छा है, आपके करियर के लिए अच्छा है, सबके लिए अच्छा है, ये कर लेना चाहिए. And it also parts like this and projects like this also add to the versatility that I like in my career.
Right. Yeah. Which is what I was going to ask you, that कि क्या ये एक conscious effort रहा है आपका कि that आप अलग-अलग किरदार निभाना चाहते हैं, because इससे पहले we thoroughly enjoyed your role in बधाई दो. And again congratulations on also breaking the stereotype. जब एक particular gay character दिखाना होता है तो there is always हमें पता है कि ऐसे ही रहेगा, ऐसी बात करेगा, but you had such a beautiful aura about you. And again, was that the reason why you picked the role?
No, I liked again that it was a thing. It made perfect sense to me, and I was also working with Harshvardhan, with whom I had made Hunter. So it was a sort of a reunion for us, and I liked the whole idea of romancing his current leading man, his former leading man, romancing his current leading man. I like that idea, and I didn't want to overthink the part, and I think that really helped me portray Guru Narayan and Devilal also, because sometimes we overthink the part. Ki, how do we make it like? And there's always a imaginary pressure that you put on yourself, particularly when you're playing, if you're straight and when you're playing a queer character, because you become conscious of all the problematic portrayals, and then that burden weighs you down.
Right.
So we tend to overthink. So that I did the opposite of that. I was like, I will not overthink this. What is happening in the scene, in this story? My character is falling in love with Raj's character. Raj's character is falling in love with me. That's it. That's it. That's the reality. आपको प्यार करना है, आपको प्यार हो रहा है, थोड़ा नॉटी हो, so in your, थोड़ा आप उसको चिढ़ाएंगे अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, वो है आपका, you will tease him a little bit. यही था, as simple as that. So मैं, people expect really complicated answers from me that I was very mindful, ये वो. I think वो opposite मेरे लिए work किया, कि I didn't overthink it. Like it was my job as an actor to fall in love with Raj's character. I just did my job.
There seems to be like a pattern, definitely. That,
वो insincere हो जाता है when you try to think too much, like ये body language ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. People try too hard to be politically correct, and that sometimes is they're digging their own grave. Just be sincere. Just be. Your script is giving you a reality. अगर script में मैं कुर्सी के साथ मोहब्बत हो जाती है मेरी, अगर वो script में वो मेरी reality है, तो वो accept it. That's your reality.
Do you try to improvise over and above the script?
Wherever there is scope, see, it has to make sense for a scene, and then also in the larger scheme of things. Isolation में कभी-कभी ना कुछ gags बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, but they don't make really sense when you see the whole story together. So that's where I rely on the directors also to sort of rein it in at some times. Right. Say like, yeah, it was nice, but then it doesn't make sense. Scene gets unnecessarily longer. You shouldn't stray too much away from what the scene is really about. The writer has written, a scene is about something. There's some objectives that you have to. So you have to hit those marks.
Correct.
Apart from that, if there is scope for you to be spontaneous and improvise either through dialogue or through some other action or interaction with the space, if it doesn't throw the scene off course, then yeah, sure, we should. I'd love doing that.
But how did it all start, Gulshan? You have been doing fashion for what, 10, 12 years?
About 8 years, yeah.
8 years. तो फैशन से ये फिल्मों का स्विच कैसे हुआ?
मुझे बचपन से फिल्मों का शौक था, हिंदी फिल्मों का शौक था, और मुझे वो सपने देखता था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा वगैरह वगैरह. जैसे बहुत लोग देखते हैं सपने, किसी को क्रिकेटर बनना है, क्रिकेटर का भी सपना देखा मैंने वैसे.
अच्छा. और
फॉर्मूला 1 रेसर का भी सपना देखा था. लेकिन इन सपनों में सबसे मजबूत और मतलब जो सपना मेरे साथ हमेशा मेरे दिल में, दिमाग में, जिस सपने ने बसेरा कर लिया था, वो एक्टर बनने का था. सो देन एट सम पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ आई सेड दैट आई थिंक आई नो द क्राफ्ट. काफ़ी कुछ थिएटर करके, किताबें पढ़ के, लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करके सीखा मैंने. सो आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेरे पास कुछ है, कुछ तो है अच्छा. सो आई शुड muster up enough courage and try and become a professional actor.
How did you meet Anurag Kashyap then?
I met Anurag Kashyap because I became friends with Kalki after moving to Mumbai.
Okay.
We had a lot of common friends.
Okay.
So फिर आपके common friends वो आपका friend circle बन जाता है. So then Anurag, I met him for the first time. I think 5 की screening करवाई थी उन्होंने.
अच्छा.
Private screenings करवाते थे. तो I met him there for the first time. I barely spoke to him. And then I think वो लगातार मुलाकात होती रही है. One day they called me and then they narrated me a scene and said that can you show something, वो कुछ सोच के हमें दिखाओ, like an audition. That was the part for That Girl in Yellow Boots. I got 3 days to prepare, and then I had to show it to Anurag, and then he saw it and he really liked it, and I was in the movie.
And this film was also screened at Toronto, right?
This was not at Toronto, but Venice तो गई थी ये.
Venice गई थी.
I remember going to Venice. I think it did go to Toronto, but I didn't go to Toronto. Venice गए थे, and then it was nice. I met Quentin Tarantino there. Yeah, he's really huge. his head is like really big.
And what did you tell him? What was the first thing?
Nothing.
Did you
I
have?
couldn't. Kuch. Me and Vasan were the only two people there who didn't really speak anything. We just said hello to him. We couldn't talk at all.
अच्छा ये बताएं that you know how many people have always called you the shaitan boy?
A lot of them, because
that was an identity.
still
right, for you?
some people refer to me as KC. They call me
Yeah.
KC, जो शैतान के हार्डकोर फैंस है ना, और काफी फैन फॉलोइंग है उस फिल्म की.
But क्या film थी? What a film, and like it's so dark and there's so much to it. How was your mental state when you were shooting for this film?
Confusion.
Yeah.
We had no idea what the hell was going on, because ये पिक्चर ना विजय के दिमाग में
हाँ.
बन रही थी. तो हमको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि हम भाग रहे हैं, इधर से कूद रहे हैं, इधर कर रहे हैं, उधर झुक रहे हैं, इधर उठ रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. सीन्स तो मतलब कुछ ही थे. ज़्यादातर मोन्टाज में हम लोग भाग रहे हैं या कुछ कर रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं. सो बैठ के कभी कभी सोचते थे, मैं और नील भोपालम बैठते थे, कभी कभी बोलते कि यार ये क्या है, ये तुमको समझ में आ रहा है क्या कि बन क्या रहा है ये. बोले नहीं कुछ नहीं, लेकिन लगता है कि जो भी बनेगा ना कुछ ऐसे अच्छा होगा. हाँ मुझे भी लगता है कि कुछ तो अच्छा होगा. तो समझ में तब आने लगा जब डबिंग के लिए बुलाया था मुझे. और मैं वो टाइम पे ना डबिंग होती नहीं थी मुझसे, आदत नहीं थी ना, तो शुरुआत में थी. तो कुणाल शर्मा थे, तो ही वाज द साउंड डिज़ाइनर. ही कॉल्ड मी इन फॉर डबिंग एंड ही सेड गुलशन तू रहने दे, आज तू चला जा, आज तेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, तू कल आ जा. एंड देन वी हैड ऑलरेडी वर्कड ऑन दैट गर्ल इन येलो बूट्स को उसने किया था, तो ही कुड मतलब ऐसे ही न्यू मी. He said you come tomorrow and do it, but let me show you a sequence from the film. And he showed me that खोया खोया चांद वाला sequence, गाने का sequence. वो काट फूट के सब साउंड मिक्सिंग सब हो गया था. वो देख के लगा कि हाँ भाई कुछ तो है. मतलब हम लोग पता नहीं था हमें कि क्या बनने वाला है, लेकिन ये देख के लग रहा है कि कुछ तो है.
हाँ, भागने का जो था वो सब.
मतलब ये लोगों को आकर्षित करेगा.
Correct. And how much did you like the film when you watched it?
I don't like any of my films when I watch it.
अच्छा आप देखते नहीं हो देखकर ऐसे, you don't analyze it?
नहीं, दाढ़ भी 4 एपिसोड दिखा मैंने.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
I say I need some time to detach from it.
अच्छा.
Then I'm able to enjoy. अब ना जैसे मैं शैतान देखूंगा या कोई मेरी पुरानी फिल्म देखूंगा तो इतना ये नहीं लगता मुझे. I'm able to detach. यहाँ हो गया है. When it's too close ना, then I feel very like मज़ा नहीं आता मुझे. I'm not able to enjoy it.
Is it because you feel अरे और करना चाहिए था? Are you
so
like
many things. मतलब it's that also, and then it's also that I just don't enjoy it as much. I just become very emotionally, intellectually like nitpicky about it कि हाँ ठीक है. I'm not able to feel it. I'm not able to हम कि दूसरे की कोई फिल्म है ना, कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती है. I just go and then I'm able to enjoy it much more because I have no expectations. Here you have some like no matter how much you try, also somewhere there is some kind of expectation from yourself, from that scene, from everything else. So then I need some time to detach.
तो दहाड़ नहीं, पर is there something that you're binge watching currently?
Ted Lasso. I'm not binge watching it, but then I'm watching it.
Okay.
Ted Lasso. I got onto it much late actually. My ex-wife introduced me to it, and we started watching. And I quite like it. And there are lots of things about mental health, about relationships with your father. You do realize आपको सोचने पे मजबूर करता है. And it's also a hilarious show. It's funny as well, but it really makes you feel a lot of different ways that are very good for you.
Is it true that you have learned a lot of skills by watching YouTube?
Yeah. I learned to swim.
You learned to swim.
Yeah.
ये कैसे मतलब YouTube पे बैठे बैठे swimming?
मैंने कोच कराया था, but then I just couldn't understand what he was saying. So then I went and I looked on YouTube. And then tutorials में देखता था अलग-अलग, but there was one tutorial on speedo.com. और भी देखता था, but वो basic level का आपको मिल जाएगा कहीं पे भी. तो मैं एक चीज़ देखता था और वो पूरा दिन में जाके, पूरा दिन मतलब 2-3 घंटे में पूल पे वही चीज़ करता था.
अच्छा.
So एक हफ्ते में about 6-7 days I was swimming.
I've never heard of this. This is so cool.
No, but YouTube is a मतलब bottomless pit. You can get like stuff about
हाँ, but
anything.
like swimming करने के लिए basic चीज़ ये होती है कि आपको पानी में बैठना रहता है.
कोई भी चीज़ आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें अब कुकिंग तो वैसे भी मेरे पिताजी यूट्यूब देख के डिशेस बनाते हैं अपने घर में.
और what about you? Do you also cook? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I do enjoy cooking, but I don't follow recipes. I just make up my own recipes. I'll just open the cupboard. मतलब रोज़ नहीं करता हूँ मैं, बट कभी कभी कुछ दोस्त आके मेरे साथ रुकते हैं तो मेरे अंदर का शेफ जग जाता है. लाइक मैं बनाऊंगा, कोफ्ता बनाऊंगा, ये बनाऊंगा, घंटा मुझे कुछ नहीं पता कि कैसे बनाना होता है. आई मेक इट अप. मेरे पास क्या है, अच्छा ये है, ओ अच्छा वो है, अच्छा ठीक है, इसके साथ क्या हो सकता है. सो देन इफ आई नीड समथिंग वो मैं मंगा लेता हूँ. तो मैं कुछ मतलब अजीबोगरीब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ट्राई करता रहता हूँ. कभी कभी फेल भी हो जाता हूँ, कभी कभी थोड़ा फ्लॉप हो जाता है.
अच्छा, एक और एक्सपेरिमेंट फिल्मों में आपने किया है, देन दैट वाज अ हिट. इट वाज अगेन विद, इफ आई मे से सो, वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स, राधिका आप्टे, हंटर. बताएं, जब आपने ये स्टोरी सुनी, स्क्रिप्ट जब पढ़ी, व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट केम टू योर माइंड?
I was really happy that somebody was looking at me differently, with different eyes. क्योंकि वो शुरुआत का दौर था ना, तो ज़्यादातर विलन, बैड बॉय, ऐसे टाइप की. शैतान में विलन नहीं था, लेकिन उस थोड़ा क्रेजी
कैरेक्टर,
क्रेजी था वो, ऊट पटांग पागल आदमी था वो. तो वैसे टाइप के रोल्स ऑफर होते थे, तो मैं मना कर देता था. खुशी होती थी कि लोग आपके साथ काम करते थे, बट आई ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि आई डोंट वांट टू गेट स्टक इन दिस थिंग एंड आई वांट ट्राई समथिंग न्यू. तो इतनी शुरुआत में ही हर्षवर्धन ने अलग आंखों से मुझे देखा, एंड ही गेव मी अ स्क्रिप्ट वेयर आई वाज नॉट द विलन और अ बैड गाय और क्रेजी गाय और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई लाइक्ड इट. आई थॉट इट वाज अ वंडरफुल, वेरी अमल पालेकरिश फिल्म. आई थॉट कि ये 70s के अमल पालेकर जैसी फील आई. So I was immediately compelled to do it because of all these reasons.
And how was it working with Radhika?
Good, yeah. She's a fantastic actor. I think she's one of the best, if not the best, in terms of craft.
Yeah.
Not necessarily career or positioning. There are other actors who've had better careers and a better positioning than her. But in terms of craft, I think she's really up there. She's one of the finest, most nuanced actors capable of performances with a lot of layering.
मुझे ना, आपने कहा कि आपके दोस्त हैं, कल्कि इज योर फ्रेंड, राधिका इज अ फ्रेंड. As friends, when you all catch up, do you all discuss movies? Is that one topic that...
Sometimes. अभी इतना होता ही नहीं है, because Kalki mostly lives in Goa. Radhika is also shuttling between here and London. And they have different lives. We used to meet a lot more often, but we don't. So last time I met Radhika was that I was shooting for Duranga and in South Bombay, and she was shooting for a film in South Bombay, and somebody told me that कि सर राधिका मैडम की शूटिंग चल रही है यहाँ पे, तो मैं मिलने चला गया और आधा पौना घंटा गप्पे लड़ाए. Yeah, sometimes you do talk about films or you know what's going on in work and things like that, but वो भी होता है. लेकिन जब मतलब रेगुलरली मिल रहे थे, तो आई डोंट थिंक वी वुड टॉक सो मच अबाउट फिल्म्स और वर्क.
You definitely come in the category that we nowadays as viewers look into, कि अगर जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये फिल्म में है तो कुछ तो बात है. There's there's Vijay Varma,
quality standard.
There's quality standard, of course. Rajkumar Rao, and do you enjoy that? Are you feeling? are you enjoying this thappa?
Sure. Absolutely, I enjoy. If the recall for people is that it will be of good quality and something interesting, then I'm really happy that I am able to, or rather me, Vijay, Raj, we are able to sort of evoke this feeling in people.
कुछ फिल्में आपने एज अ लीड की है. There have been films that, like you said, you've played negative roles, and then there are films that have had you just for a few scenes. When we speak about these films जिसमें आपको सिर्फ कुछ scenes में देखा गया and all that, again, what is your process on saying yes to this film?
I have to be compelled to do it. I have to have.
Have you ever regretted it? Ever?
So far, no. Thus far, no. There have been a couple of occasions where I have not enjoyed the filming process as much as I would have liked to. But there are no absolute regrets. कि हाँ ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं.
What has been the most challenging role for you by far?
Ghost Stories. फुल बॉडी प्रोस्थेटिक था वो तो मैं मर गया था. मैं रोज 3 किलो कम होता था मेरा. I used to sweat so much.
And how did you cope up with it? Because
I think you just have to do it. वहाँ पे मैं रोज बोलता था क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं यार, मन नहीं चाहिए था दिवाकर कि फिल्में करके मैंने कर लिया, बट आई एम एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड ऑफ दैट बिकॉज इट वाज इनक्रेडिबली डिफिकल्ट और मुझे पता है कि कितना फिजिकली और मेंटली डिमांडिंग है ऐसे परफॉर्मेंसेस, और मैंने वो किया और लोगों ने, और लोग ना उसे अरे आपकी आंखें ये वो कर रहे थे, तो आई एम लाइक आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट थ्रू द डे, यू नो आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड, आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, यू नो, आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टे कूल, hydrated, also not too much because I can't pee very easily, although
This is the costume,
although I did figure out how to pee, and it's just like don't ask, it's just don't ask, and nobody should go through, it shouldn't be that difficult to actually take a pee, it shouldn't be, but it was, yeah, but I did figure out a really complicated way of doing it, and but I'm incredibly proud that I pulled something off like that. I'm incredibly proud that we all pulled something off like that. He made a creature film in daylight. There's no darkness, cover of darkness. It's like everything is exposed to daylight. It's
क्या बात है.
incredibly courageous, and I really, in hindsight, I would say I enjoyed it. While I was filming it, I didn't enjoy it at all. I was like, I should have never said yes to this.
But
ऐसा बोल रहा
it
था.
makes up for a good story. Let's say
It
that.
makes a good story. वो क्या होता है ना कि when and at that moment you're really irritated and frustrated and suffering, so you feel that this was a bad idea,
हाँ.
but it wasn't a bad idea. Not when I said yes to it, not when I finished it. I was like, this is great. That was the toughest thing I've done so far.
Has there ever been a time where you've waited for a role and not got it?
Yeah, sometimes I hustle. I'm not like a proper hustler, but कई बार कुछ रोल्स के लिए मैंने hustle. एक बार ऑलमोस्ट जो जिसके लिए मैं कंसिडर भी नहीं था वो ऑलमोस्ट मिल गया था. But things happen. Sometimes things get, certain people have veto powers also, so they veto it and all those things like that. So वो भी हुआ था. बुरा भी लगा, but I'm over it also. Like I won't hold anything against anybody. Sometimes they want to protect their own image, so they tend to be a little maybe if I work with this actor, I don't know, maybe the attention will be divided, वो सब भी सोचते हैं लोग. I don't want to be bothered too much about it, but when I get to know about it, when this happens, it does feel really bad, but I'm completely over it now.
Gulshan, you come from a background where parents,
And by the way, just for like this, everybody do it. Everybody who has any amount of power, they tend to meddle with it. It's not just like the nepo kids. Okay, you'll be very surprised to know that how many of the non-nepo people are controlling.
Yeah, that was my next question.
Yeah.
मैं इतना घुमा फिरा के बोल रही थी कि you just got it.
तो मैं आ गया ना मुद्दे पे.
मैं बोल आपकी बैकग्राउंड में तो ऐसे फिल्म नहीं है, but you've made it big and all that. But tell me that, do you believe this exists, nepotism exists in the industry? Have you experienced it ever?
Yeah, but then I don't know why it should be a problem. I
Have you
never thought of
experienced
it.
this disparity?
Disparity नहीं है. क्या होता है कि sometimes like there were a couple of movies where I'm there and then suddenly I'm not there. Because those roles went to somebody else because they had a change of decision or whatever that is. That's what they tell you. But
Do you
that's
want to tell
okay.
us one such film?
No, it's okay. It's not fair to the other person who probably had nothing to do with me not getting the part.
Okay.
If I'm not sure, then I shouldn't take names. When I'm absolutely sure I'm able to prove it, then I can take names because then I'm not just faffing in the air.
Right.
So I have to be responsible. So nepotism never bothered me because. And it shouldn't bother anybody else also, in my opinion, because this is a subjective business. How good somebody is, how big somebody is all a subjective opinion. आप इसको तोल नहीं सकते, नाप नहीं सकते. Everything is opinion based, and most of it is private enterprise. If somebody wants to spend their own money that they have raised in something, they are free to do so.
But
Nobody has any issues why Mr. Mukesh Ambani's son is taking over the business.
yeah.
That's nepotism also, but nobody has any issues with that because they are not really aspiring to take that job. But here there are a lot of people who are aspirational, and sometimes our emotions get the better of us and it clouds our judgment.
But as an actor, what are the things that you have to do to make sure that you're in the limelight, that you're getting work? What, according to you,
Wear nice
works
clothes and always have a nice bright smile.
and give interviews?
And do interviews and be funny and say jokes and be a little stupid. Don't be too self-conscious, just be yourself. Don't care too much about कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. Just keep doing good and good things will happen.
ऐसा लग रहा है आप ना किसी का
ये मेरा
slam
PR
book पढ़ रहे
strategy
हो.
है. ये मेरा PR strategy है. Keep doing
Nice.
good and good things will happen.
How was it working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
It was a lot of fun, but a test of patience also.
मैं ये पूछना थी,
Yeah.
is he very strict?
No, he is strict and not strict and all. Like he gave me a lot of freedom also, but he can be very difficult. He can be very nitpicky. That's also because he's extremely passionate about his work. He puts his entire everything, mind, body, soul into it. It's difficult for everybody else to match that kind of energy, you know.
Did you have moments on the sets of Ram Leela where you felt like this is getting on to me?
No, not really, because I enjoyed it through even the waiting days. Sometimes I am in hair and costume for 3 days. I'm not given a single shot. तो मैं सेट पे जाके बैठता था.
अच्छा.
एसी सेट होते थे.
हाँ.
तो आपको अपने वैनिटी रूम में क्यों बैठे हो, ड्रेसिंग रूम में क्यों बैठे हो? मैं जाके सेट पे बैठता था. मैं देखता था. It really you understand his sensibility, how he works, what's his style, what he likes, what he don't like, by just sitting there and observing things. So that was a huge learning experience for me, and that was the first time in my life I was in a big film. Which was like, so मतलब 5-6 करोड़ की सेट होती थी एक. तो I was like and I used to look at every detail. पूरे सेट पे मैं जहाँ मर्जी मैं घूमता था, देखता था. If I was allowed there, I used to see all the details. And he used to give real jewelry even to background actors. They used to wear real jewelry, not fake ones. All my jewelry was made of silver with gold plates. They were like real gold, made of silver, but उसके ऊपर like 18 karat का ये, तो not some cheap stuff. So I think that's the way he works. If you don't have patience, then it becomes difficult. But thankfully, I managed to find my patience, and it didn't bother me too much. Yeah, some people get कि क्या बुला के इतना वेट कराते हैं. होता है, कसम से बोल रहा हूँ, 3 दिन जाते थे कभी-कभी when you're ready, you're on standby, but your shot is not ready.
But wow, man, that means that you know there's so much of patience in you as an actor also, क्योंकि वो ये आपका काम है, ये आपका craft है. To be ready every day and then wait for your shot and then not happen.
The patience also, it has to be reasonable, because his working style is like that. It's very slow, it's very methodical. He takes his time. So if you're not patient, then you will not fit into that thing. But there will be some times where you need to lose your patience. You have to lose your patience, because if somebody is being idiotic and like being disorganized, then that's why you're not working. Then you need to unleash the whip a little bit. एक तो ऐसे खटाक करके sound आना चाहिए.
कभी हुआ ऐसे that the director who's yelled at you and during a film?
Yelled at me? May have been. I can't remember. I fight with directors sometimes. We argue.
There's arguments.
But
it's healthy arguments, no?
नहीं, हेल्दी अनहेल्दी की बात नहीं है, बट समटाइम्स यू हैव डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन, यू पैशनेटली थिंक इट शुड बी देयर, वो तो होता है. बट ऐसे स्क्रीमिंग मैचेस आई डोंट थिंक, ऐसे चीख के उसको नाम बुलाना, ये करना, मार दूंगा, ए कि तूने ऐसे वो सब तो नहीं. मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट वेरी कन्फ्रंटेशनल दैट वे. बट समटाइम्स इन regarding something, an idea or an approach to a scene, you do have difference of opinion, and I passionately feel that no, this is the good way to do it. So sometimes, and वो भी ना, with the directors with whom I'm friendly, of course Mr. Bansali के साथ में मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, वो बहुत सीनियर है. तो
This was also the film जिसके बाद दीपिका पादुकोण एंड रणवीर सिंह साथ में है, ये हमें पता चला. बट सेट्स पर क्या आप लोग को पता चल रहा था?
फर्स्ट शेड्यूल के बीच में तो कुछ नहीं, हमने कुछ नहीं देखा. मैं सेकंड शेड्यूल मेरा लगा था उदयपुर में, तो वहाँ पे नोटिस किया तो गोदी में बैठी हुई है. तो यार क्या हो गया ये, हमने तो नोटिस ही नहीं किया गुरु, ये कब हो गया. हमने गाना वाना सॉन्ग सीक्वेंस 2 करवाए थे, तब तो कुछ नहीं देखा हमने. आके अपना काम करके चली जाती थी. I think Ranveer was smitten by her right from the beginning. This I don't know for sure, but जितना I remember, I think he was very smitten by her right from the beginning. So I think he must have really जी जान लगा के pursue किया होगा उसने.
So sweet. Tell us, what is it that you're working on now? Like what can we expect in the near future?
2 shows will be ready for release. One is Duranga season 2. And Guns and Gulabs.
Guns and Gulabs.
That will be on Netflix. Duranga.
That's again with Rajkumar?
Yeah, me and Rajkumar, Rajan DK, Dulquer, Salman, TJ Vanu, the late Mr. Satish Kaushik, Gaurav Adarsh. A wonderful cast.
How was it working with Satish ji?
I don't have any scenes with Satish ji, but I spent an afternoon chatting with him. He's very fond of me. हमने बहुत बात की है उससे पहले भी. He had also narrated a story to me long back. Hanif Rehan
that he wanted to direct?
हाँ, he wanted to direct with me, and I can't remember who it was, but नहीं हुआ. So wherever we used to meet, he's very friendly and he has wonderful energy. He's a warm person. I don't know if you've met him.
Yes,
Like whoever has met
yes.
him remembers him to be a really warm, nice
Definitely.
person. हाँ.
He's-
तो मैं और गौरव बैठ के वो सतीश सर के साथ गप्पे लड़ाते थे वहाँ पे जो डाइनिंग एरिया होता था वहाँ पे होटल में.
ये बताया दैट व्हाट इज अ रोल दैट यू वुड लाइक टू डू अगर मिला चांस तो
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
मे बी अ फिल्म और अ रोल दैट यू सीन हैपेंड एंड
Yeah, scene to Andhadhun, I would have loved to do that one. Badlapur, like both Ayushman and Varun ka, I'm very jealous that they got to do such amazing parts, and both are Sriram sir's films, and I think I really like Sriram sir's the world that they creates and the characters that he writes, and I hope that in my lifetime, in our lifetimes, I get an opportunity to interpret his writing.
would you like to do a romantic film like we spoke about Ranveer and Deepika and the chemistry that they had in Ram Leela? It was so pure, it was so
Hunter
special.
was a romance.
Hunter was a
Hunter was a
romance.
romantic film.
But do you want to do an out and out masaledar, absolute Romeo Juliet kind of a
I
film?
don't know, it has to make sense, you know. I don't want to do things just because हाँ ये मैंने किया नहीं हुआ है. And then sometimes you have to save yourself from these trappings. They may not be good for you. It has to make sense. The story has to make sense. You have to connect with it. Just because I'm getting an opportunity to just do a romantic film, I don't want to do anything just for the sake, because वो sincere नहीं रहेगा. And then people will be able to see that.
Gulshan, this was so much fun. So insightful. We got to know a little bit more about you, and I am so glad that you choose the right roles, right films, and we get to see more of you. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Likewise. Thank you so much, guys, for watching us on Bollywood Hangama. My name is Urmin.
Hello, मैं हूँ गुलशन देवैया and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.